Hey guys, Crystal here for Unity. For this month, I have rainbows for a color combo series. For this card, I am using Look Up to You Birdies. We're going to begin by stamping Look Up to You Birdies onto a piece of white cardstock that is alcohol marker friendly. I'm going to stamp the image using our hybrid ink. And then we're going to color the birds with Copics. We're going to begin by doing the shadow of the birds using Y19, and then with Y08 we're going to color the rest of the birds. Going to color the inner hearts of the birdies with RV10, and then I'm going to trim the birds. Now we're going to move on to making the rainbow on a piece of white cardstock that is the same length and height as my card base. We're going to begin by shading Distress Oxide in Worn Lipstick, which is a red, onto the top, and then we're going to be using the purple Distress Oxide in Violet. I'm going to go back to the top using the pink, and then going back to the bottom using Salty Ocean. And the reason for going up and down is I didn't want to run out of room for a specific color. I'm going to do the bottom with the green, and then on the top next to that pink we're going to be using the yellow. This is Fossilized Amber. Once all my colors are down on the cardstock, we're going to blend each other. Okay, now that our rainbow is done, we're going to go ahead and cut the different panels using Pretty Pink Pot stitched edges, and you can use any edge die. I just have the Pretty Pink Posh one. The way I cut these is I flipped the scallop die up and then down as I was cutting the piece of paper, and taking a very minimal amount in between them, and you can see it's just a little bit that I took out. Before I place that third panel, I drew a line with my pencil because I wanted to be sure that I wouldn't cover my sentiment. Using foam adhesive, I am placing the rainbow panels onto the white card base. And just stacking those up on the card base. Once those are stacked up, I'm adding foam adhesive onto the birds that we colored and trimmed, and adding these onto the left side of the sentiment. And this does it for our rainbow card for the month of June. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please give this a sweet thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and a sweet comment below. Thank you so much. Have an awesome day.